If you're a college dropout who's done trying for jobs, or you're a stay-at-home parent tired of watching bills pile up, or even someone who just wants to make side money without quitting comfort, this might be the video you'll thank yourself for watching. Because even if this doesn't work for you somehow, the investment needed to get the system is zero. Yes, you get it for absolutely free. Now imagine the same phone you use to binge YouTube or scroll memes becoming your unexpected money machine and taking that pressure off your shoulders. What if just 30 seconds of your time could plug you into a setup that brings in up to $1,000 in passive income every day, and you don't need a degree or a laptop or even to record videos or show your face at all? Today, we're going to talk about the Fast Profit system, built for people like us who want to earn without getting stressed or scammed. It's a fresh approach to setting up digital income on autopilot, and here's how it works. As unreal as the promises might sound, brilliantly added features back each word claimed by the developer. Have a look. Turn on and start earning. Launch the Fast Profit system in seconds and activate done-for-you income streams instantly from your phone or laptop. Daily commission alerts. Get daily payouts ranging from $20 to even $500 by promoting high-ticket affiliate offers without doing any manual selling. No learning curve. You don't need to be tech-savvy or have any online experience. The system is already set up and does everything for you. 100% hands-free income. From ready-made funnels to built-in traffic tools, everything runs in the background while you focus on your day. One-time setup, just a single payment to unlock lifetime access with no monthly charges or hidden costs blocking your earnings. Even the absolute beginners are unlocking limitless passive earnings with the Done-For-You system. Here is how you can proceed. Step 1. Log in and launch Access the Fast Profit system from your device and turn it on with just one click to unlock your ready-to-use income setup. Step 2. Plug in your link. Add your affiliate ID or offer link and let the system load it into pre-built funnels and email campaigns that are ready to go live. Step 3. Watch it work. Let the built-in traffic tools drive visitors and sit back as commissions start dropping into your account without doing anything manually. Now the best part, as promised, the whole system created is priced for absolutely nothing. Yes, you heard absolutely right. The gem is in testing period and you can access the same for absolutely free. No money back guarantee needed as no money invested. Just an opportunity knocking at your door. So, is the Fast Profit system something you really need? If you want to start earning passive income by just logging in and letting a done-for-you system do all the work while you make up to $1,000 every day through high-ticket commissions and built-in traffic tools, then this is exactly the kind of tool you should jump on right away. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it seems like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.